A mummy.
That's a mummy and a bat.
You can touch it.
Okay.
I can't touch it right now. I'm taking a video.
Go ahead. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Don't be scared.
Do you want Dad to touch it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll touch it.
Okay.
I'll touch it.
Go ahead.
I'll touch it. I'll touch it.
Do you want to see the witch on the other side?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Did you touch it?
Yes, she is.